Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sufrat and Cypher's channel. So, today we have the Hammond Collection MUSSAURUS. But first things first is we have the classic two MUSSAURUS right here. I believe they are both from Dino Rivals. Here are their DNA scans for you guys to scan. Okay, the mouth does not articulate. It's exactly the same, different paint job. Same sculpt. It looks like a little Apatosaurus, but they're called MUSSAURUS. They're small sauropods. I believe they don't grow anymore. It's just like this now. But anyways, let's get to the newest MUSSAURUS from the Hammond Collection. A totally new sculpt. They made it look like a carnivore for some reason. Look at that, it looks aggressive. Okay, so it says the MUSSAURUS has increased posability, multiple points of articulation, and dynamic accessories for epic scene creations. Let's check the box. Alright, so nice packaging. So I don't know why they would change it to a carnivore look. Like really aggressive compared to the original look. It looks really, you know, looks so innocent. Like a baby look. It looks sad right there. But anyways, let's open it up. Yeah. Then later we're gonna open up another box after this. Alright. Excited. We have another MUSSAURUS, guys. There we go. Oh no. Oh yeah, there's the tail. Gosh, that scared me. God, that really scared me. I thought the tail was missing. Okay, sweet. Nice rubber. Look at that. Let's put it in right there. Okay guys, let's check it out. Okay, we had it out. Let's pop it in. There you go, you heard that. No need for a blow dryer. So the jaw is articulated, which is good. I already ordered the Dryosaurus. Now can't wait for that. It's obviously not on Target, so I have to find it online. Okay, so let's take a compare to its classic variant. So for some reason it already has a beak and sharp teeth, and this one doesn't. It's still a MUSSAURUS though. At least they painted the toes, which is good. This one's a little bigger now. The Hammond Collection is bigger and longer. Yeah. Yeah, they made it look like a carnivore for some reason. That's kind of weird. And I wish they stick with the marble eye again. The marble eye is gone. So here's the other accessories. Other arm right there. Let's try it on. Just one. Let's pull out one. Okay, I think it goes there. Let's pull this out. Come on. Let's put this in. There we go. Nice. It's about to scratch. Yeah. Alright, so there's our MUSSAURUS. Let's put it right there. Now we're gonna open our new other box. Let's put this back in. Okay, now that one's in. We're gonna check this out. Alright, there is the cue. Dramatic box opening music. So let's check it out. Ugh. Ugh. Alright. I think you guys know who this is. It already says in the background anyway. From Mattel Creations. Alright, so Jurassic Park 30th anniversary. Wow. Let's check it out. Come on.
It's really not that difficult.
You hear that?
A DNA strand like me is a blueprint for building a living thing.
Very nice. Let's go. Whoops. We're not supposed to show the others right there. That's okay. That's my repaint survival Dimetrodon. Wow, there you go. Push this button.
It's a velociraptor.
And there you go.
And now
It's got BD
we
Wong's
can make
voice.
a baby dinosaur.
There's Mr. DNA. Nice. How do you take this out? Okay, nice. Alright, so yep, there you have it, guys. There's this pencil. Oh my gosh, it looks so fragile. Like, I don't want to take this out. Okay, there you have it for Dr. Wu. Nice background right there.
There's no unauthorized breeding in Jurassic Park.
Alright.
Just one drop of your blood contains billions of strands of DNA.
Yeah, there you have it. And there's for our video for today, our MUSSAURUS and Dr. Wu. Our Hammond Collection. 2 Hammond Collection, guys. There you have it. Enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you.
A DNA strand like me.
Oh my gosh.
Is a blueprint for building a living thing.
My goodness, there's even a light over there. That's so awesome.
It's really not that difficult.
Look at that. That's so cool.
Bingo. Dino DNA.
What? So how do we open this up? Oh, I see. Over there. Alright. That's it then. Alright guys, thank you again. We'll see you again in the next video. Ciao for now. Have a good evening. Very well.